What's going on, folks? It's your man Jay Will. So yes, I'm showing some love to my Otterbox fam and my Note 9 family. So I've got a lot of cases. I know I get a lot of cases for free, but I don't get free Otterboxes. That's why I purchased them. And I probably could reach out to Otterbox and be like, hey, hook me up. But that's not the point. I buy Otterboxes because I like the quality of them. And lately I haven't been purchasing too many of them because of the Rebel series from Encase. But the Rebel series from Encase just doesn't look as good and feel as good as this one after all is said and done. So I've been rocking with this right here. This is just the packaging. Some people like to see the packaging. You know, Otterbox brings good drop protection and all that stuff. But this is the Symmetry series. And I didn't think I was going to like the Symmetry series. But when I finally got it on there, it's a lot thicker than what I thought it was going to be. And I just like this clear. Now, they do have black, and they have like this burgundy color. It's purple. It's considered purple. But they do have black, a clear, and this purple right here. This purple one also. And I thought I saw a black one somewhere in there. But they've got a bunch of different colors. But this is the one right here that I'm actually sticking with. And this is on Black Friday sale at Best Buy for 29 bucks. I'm an elite member at Best Buy, so that's why I continue to buy certain things there, because I get a lot of coupons and stuff there from you know, a lot of purchases. So what I did was I pretty much got this free. You know, I just cashed in some coupons. It's not free though, because I spent a lot of money to get those coupons, but I cashed in some coupons and was like, you know what, I'm gonna buy myself a nice case for the Otterbox. I'm replacing my Whitestone dome glass on here. So I'll give you an updated video on that. With this case, this combination is really nice. Now, the buttons are kind of sticky. They're kind of tough, but that's to be expected with a case like this. There's such a tight fitting. This is a tight fitting case, and it doesn't go on hard, but it doesn't go on easy. So yeah, I'm really liking it. It's not too bulky at all either. You got tons of lip protection. I mean, it's just a lot of lip protection for this. So even if I didn't have a tempered glass to put on here, it still is going to give lots of protection for drop protection around the corners. And you can clearly see, you know, how much wider and thicker this case is going to make your phone. So it's a good look, man. I really like it. It feels really, really good. So I want to give you a brief video. Again, this is $29. Now, they do have the more bulkier setups with the Galaxy Note 9. They got the Galaxy Note 9 Defender Pro, and then they got the regular Defender, and they also had a commuter. Now, the commuter, ironically enough, actually costs more than this. It's on sale for $37.50. Now, at regular price, this is $49, and the commuter series is $49. But this is on sale for $29, and the commuter is on sale for $37.50. Now, the Otterbox Pro Series is another nice one, but I didn't want to cover up the color of my phone. I kind of like these matte sides. Now, those do have a lot more grip. Who knows? I might go back over there and buy that one too. I don't know. But they do have those on sale. The Pro Series on sale for $44.99. And those are regularly 60 bucks. So it's really nice to have this clear setup on my phone. And again, I've gotten other clear cases in for review, but you know, just purchasing this one I feel like it was a good win right here, because the way this case feels is kind of hard to explain. It feels really good in the hand, man. It just feels great. It gives this phone, like I could technically just leave this case on. I don't normally wear cases around the house, but I really like this one, man. I really like it, and I'm glad I bought it. You know what I'm saying? It's just a good, I think it just looks so nice with this cloud silver, man. And if you have any other, the darker colors, I don't think it would look too good with it. You know, like, let me try on a blue one. Let me see, let me show you what I'm talking about. Like, if you have a blue one, and see, this don't come off too easy, man. It's a tight fit, it's a snug fit, which is, you know, it could be considered a good thing, you know what I'm saying? So if you had a blue one, this is what it would look like. Now, personally, I'm not really a fan of how this looks with blue. But that's just me. That's just me. You do you. You know what I'm saying? But it says scratch resistant, but it's got some micro scratches on it already. You know what I'm saying? And that's just what it is. It's such a snug fit, man. Which is what you want, though. You want it to be a little snug. But it feels really good, man. I'm really excited to have this case in for sure. And again, Otterbox, y'all can start sending me some case. Now I'm just playing. I probably can reach out to them and get some for free, but I like this case right here, man. So I was like, I'm going to buy this. Feels good. I just think the cloud silver is one of the better looking colors. And if that white one does release, I probably won't get it. But this cloud silver with this case, I think that's a boss up move right there. So Note 9 Otterbox Symmetry, the clear. This thing feels rugged but still slim and nice. I can't even put it into words, man. Go to Best Buy, try it on. I guarantee you'll probably buy this. If you like a little bit more feel to your phone, it doesn't make it really bulky though, but it's still kind of a bumpy cam. It's kind of a bulky case, you know what I'm saying? But it's not bulky. It doesn't feel as bulky. But there it is, man. Symmetry case for the Otterbox, from Otterbox for the Galaxy Note 9. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.